Hi, my name is Gordon. I'm here at Hearing Solutions Northwest, and I first come to Hearing Solutions about 7 years ago, I think it was. I couldn't hear. I had the TV up so loud that neighbors, I think, were going to start complaining, and I just flat couldn't hear, and I come to see Goerge, and he gave me a hearing test and told me what he had, what he could do, and left the decision up to me. Their honesty, their integrity, the way they treat people is nothing short of remarkable. I would recommend anyone to come here if they have a hearing loss. After I decided to get the instruments, I got them, and I was amazed about how much I had been missing from conversations. There's nothing like, you know, if you need glasses, you get, your eyes are bad, you get glasses. When your ears are bad, you get something to hear with. I never thought about it until I come, and I would recommend Hearing Solutions Northwest to anyone because they treat you so nice. They treat you as a person. They welcome you when you walk into the office, and there's never any pressure. They tell you what is wrong, and if you want to buy one, fine. If you don't, that's not a contingent upon them how they treat you. They always treat you with dignity and respect. So if you need hearing aids, come to Hearing Solutions Northwest.